Welcome back to Faster Cars channel, where we dive deep into everything automotive. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at the all-new 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser 300. This legendary off-roader just got a massive tech overhaul, a hybrid powertrain option, and some seriously cool features you need to know about. Let's get into it. One of the biggest headlines for the 2026 Land Cruiser 300, a brand new hybrid powertrain. For the first time ever, this beast is going green. But don't worry, it hasn't lost its muscle. This performance hybrid system combines a 3.5-liter twin-turbo petrol V6 engine with an electric motor, delivering an insane 451 horsepower and 584 lb-ft torque. That's enough grunt to tackle any trail while still sipping fuel efficiently. An impressive combo, if you ask me. And here's the kicker, it's not just powerful, it's smarter too. With advanced energy management systems, this hybrid setup optimizes power delivery whether you're climbing mountains or cruising around town. But what happens when you step inside? Well, buckle up because Toyota has completely reimagined the cabin of the Land Cruiser 300. You'll find either an 8-inch or 12.3-inch touchscreen depending on your trim level, both loaded with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. No more fumbling with cables, just seamless connectivity. The driver gets treated to a fully digital instrument cluster, a 7-inch display on base models, and a whopping 12.3-inch unit on higher trims. It's customizable, futuristic, and packed with info right in front of you. And let's not forget the family-friendly upgrades. Higher trims come with dual 11.6-inch rear entertainment displays and a premium JBL audio system that turns every drive into a concert experience. Toyota didn't stop at luxury, they doubled down on safety. The 2026 Land Cruiser 300 comes with an expanded Toyota Safety Sense suite, adding some game-changing innovations. First up, the emergency driving stop system. If the car senses the driver is unresponsive, it can bring the vehicle to a safe stop automatically. How cool is that? There's also active lane trace assist and emergency steering assist, which help keep you centered in your lane and avoid collisions, even at high speeds. And for peace of mind against theft, Toyota introduced 2 new anti-theft features. My Car Start Lock lets owners disable the engine remotely using a smartphone app, and a fingerprint sensor on the start button ensures only authorized users can fire up the engine. Of course, no Land Cruiser would be complete without world-class off-road capability, and the 2026 model takes things to the next level. The updated multi-terrain select now includes an auto mode, which automatically adjusts settings based on the terrain. Plus, the GR Sport trim gets the Electronic Kinetic Dynamic Suspension System, or EKDSS, for even better articulation and stability. Oh, and there are some minor cosmetic tweaks too, like revised LED headlights and a bold new grille design on the GRS variant. Subtle changes, but they make a big impact. Let's talk convenience. The GX trim now offers a power-adjustable steering column, perfect for finding your ideal driving position. And the VX trim adds a powered tailgate, making loading gear easier than ever. Now, here's the catch. The 2026 Land Cruiser 300 won't be available everywhere. Australia, for example, will see the hybrid version hit dealerships in early 2026. But if you're in North America, you'll have to stick with the smaller Land Cruiser Prado or wait for something else entirely. So there you have it, the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser 300. It's faster, smarter, safer, and more capable than ever before. Whether you're tackling the toughest trails or cruising through the city, this SUV truly does it all. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button and subscribe for more car content. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you take one of these bad boys home? Until next time, happy driving!